Okay, so for today's problem, best time to buy and sell stock, easy problem. I I have solved this before, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to solve it this time. So let's give it a try. So basically, we are given a prices array, and we want to maximize the profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and different days in the future to sell stock. So basically, we want to make a maximum profit. If profit cannot be achieved, we return 0. So return the maximum profit you can achieve. So basically, this is buying low, sell high. And if we cannot achieve profit, that means the stock graph, is basically going down. So that you cannot really make any profit, right? So in this case, the price is, let's draw this out. Okay, price time, say 7 1. Okay, 1 7. There's 5, and there's 3, and there's 6, and there's 4 for each day. So basically, if we buy, let's say we buy at this point at 1 and sell at this point 6, we make a profit of 5. And that is what we can get. It's easy to see if we visualize this. So if we put this, let's say, in another example here. Okay, yeah, so this is what I was talking about. Always decreasing. 7 6 4 3 1. So there's no way to make it profit. That means we return 0. So buying low, selling high means whenever we see the minimum value, we can actually set that as the selling point, or buying day. Okay, so basically, I keep saying basically so many times. Okay, so that's what I notice. So step one, buy at minimum price, and then keep calculating profit until new minimum comes up. The reason being, let's say in this example, this was let's say 3 7, and then we have a bunch of different price points here that were above 3, but then all of a sudden we get 1. So no matter what the price is after this point, it will always be the difference between the high point and the minimum point will always be larger than the gap between the high point and previous minimum. So we're gonna update the minimum to 1, and then keep calculating until the end. Okay? So let's say if there is no minimum, if no minimum or no profit, return 0. Otherwise, return the profit, max profit, let's say. Okay, so the time complexity will be, because we're gonna visit every single point, time complexity will be O of n. So time will be O of n. The space complexity, are we utilizing any extra space? No, we are only utilizing the pointers. So space complexity will be O of 1. Okay, so let's code this.
So what we said, we are basically gonna get max profit, which is initialized 1, and this is gonna be what we return. Okay, so for each price, for price and prices, I also should keep track of mean price. It's going to be infinity. And then first update the mean price. Or actually we need to check for if mean price is greater than the current price, then now the mean price becomes current price. Otherwise, we are going to calculate the profit by comparing max profit here. And then the price minus mean price. So we only want to do this when we can actually have a profit. So if price is greater than mean price, what does that mean then? If price, we only want to calculate maximum point when price is greater than mean price. What happens if price is lower than mean price? Then it's gonna update the mean price to the lower, smaller number, but it's not gonna calculate the profit. Yes, because you are not buying yet from that point on. Okay, once we are done with this, we can, so what happens if everything is lower? So mean price will be set to infinity. Initially it will set to 7 or large number, and then the mean price will keep getting updated because the price is lower until the end of the for loop, which will then make the max profit 0, which is that's what the answer is expecting. Okay, so it's probably, let's see, why is it complaining? I guess I'll know when I run it. Maybe this is just wrong syntax highlighting. Okay, so it passed. So let's do submit. Awesome. Problem solved.